I got it. I got the new Black Thunder Chicken by Q. Packaging superb. I already opened it because I had to check it out. So it looks like. And then when you open it, you get you a suppressor sleeve. Nice card from Q. The fine print by Q. Q sticker. And then you get the suppressor and you get a cherry bomb, which is the muzzle device used for the thread on of the suppressor, which is right here. All right, so here's that black titanium Thunder Chicken. It's a 7.62 can, but apparently if you run it in 300 blackout, you had the best time of your life. So I'm at the range this morning. Oh, Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. I'm at the range this morning, which this video is probably going to be a little bit short because I got to get home and make my greens. And sorry if y'all can't really hear me that well. I left my mic at home, so bear with me. But I borrowed or rented the Q Minifix here at the range because I want to run the Q Thunder Chicken on the Minifix. So we're about to load this up. I got some, what I got? Some Hornady Black Subsonic. No, this is not Subsonic. I wish I had some. Wish I had Subsonic, but they didn't. I didn't bring any. I just got some from the range. And this is 300 blackout, 110 grain VMAX. So let's load up real quick and let's shoot. The Minifix by Q is my favorite. It's my favorite firearm. It's fun. That's the word I give the Minifix, because once y'all, and I did a video sometime back on the Minifix, so if y'all want to check that out, I'll leave it down in the description. But when I shot it the first time, I was like, oh, I gotta have one of these. I still don't have one yet, but we'll work to get one. All right, we got 10 rounds. Let's go unsuppressed first. Just so y'all can see. Where's the dot at? Put on safe real quick. Let's see the dot. Oh, there we go. There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna just shoot it unsuppressed first, so y'all can get kind of a feel or hear through the camera what it sounds like. It's loud, but I hit that thing right in the begonias. Oh, I forget, you gotta. That thing's spot on. That was too high. It do have a bit of a kick to it. Okay. I don't know how many that was. Let's keep going. Drop two. And the trigger on these. Okay. That was it. Alright. Hopefully y'all can hear me. If not, I'm so sorry. Alright, we're about to go 10 rounds of suppressed 300 blackout, 110 grain through the Black Thunder Chicken by Q. It is a bit long, and I'll leave the specs on the screen of, I'll leave it right here, of everything the Thunder Chicken offers. Oh my God. They weren't lying. Man. It is a little gassy out front. But I say gassy, but it's pushing all out there. I'm not getting nothing back to the face. Got one more. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I need to get this. I need a mini fix in my life. The goal in 2026 is to get a mini fix. The way that just shot, that was absolutely crazy. It wasn't, it obviously suppression of a, the suppressor will always like mitigate that sound. Not completely, obviously you heard it through the camera, but it's a whole lot better than unsuppressed. They say once you go suppress, you don't go back. All right, we're about to go 20 more rounds, and while I'm loading this up, shout out to Silencer Shop. When I tell you the easiest process and the easiest system to get your suppressors, your SBRs, your AOW, Silencer Shop is the way to go. I ain't never got my suppressor so fast and so quick. This suppressor I got in 3 days. It probably would have been 2 had it not been the weekend, but listen, Silencer Shop is the way to go. If y'all looking to get a suppressor and get it fast and get it easy, that's the thing, like they make it so easy. If your local gun store or whatever has a Silencer Shop kiosk and there's a dealer of Silencer Shop, make sure y'all check them out, because I'm telling you, it's the easiest way to get your NFA items. Also, shout out to Q. It's because of y'all that I have this. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy to have it. The way it's shooting right now, let's see. Let me show y'all what my target's looking like. All right, that was out at 15 yards, and that's suppressed and unsuppressed. All right, let's go 20 rounds. Suppressed again. Oh, that's at 20 yards, I think. Yeah, pushed it out. Pushed it out to 20. I dropped that one. Back up so y'all can see. Got a few more.
Yeah, it was all apart too.
I'll pull that one high. Man, because smoking just a little bit. That's all right. It's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, let's look at that target. At that time, I was shooting at 20 yards, and I look like I got a hole down there. Let's see. Pretty accurate. I like it. All right, y'all. I got 20 more rounds before people beside me start letting off on this M60. It's a belt-fed machine gun. It's about to get loud in here, so let me hurry up with this video. I'm gonna give y'all a different angle of me shooting Q mini with the Black Thunder Chicken. Give y'all a different angle. All right, y'all, we're back out at 20 yards again. I'll show y'all from this side.
Yeah, I'll take the snap caps.
All right, here we go.
get a magnet.
That's so much better than I thought it was gonna be. That's so much better.
Hey, Larry. You want to take up target?
I'm a little lower. This mag.
Alright, guys.
Alright, thank you.
That's not too bad.
No, you just...
That's not bad.
One more.
You shot.
Phew.
Jay, I'll take back.
That's good. That's good, y'all. I ain't got nothing bad to say.
Oh, this is going up.
To be honest, I don't have nothing bad to say. All I know is I need this set up. The whole thing. Q mini fix, Thunder Chicken. It's looking a little gray. It's heating up a little bit, but it's still in that black finish. I ain't got nothing bad to say. Nothing. So, y'all let me know if y'all own a suppressor, period. Suppressors are fun. They're fun because if you're like me, you don't really like the loudness of guns, especially indoor. Suppressors are the way to go. And like shoot and not have to worry about that sound, the loud sound. It's still gonna be sound, but it's not gonna be as loud. So let me know if y'all got a suppressor, and then let me know if y'all have this cute Thunder Chicken in the black can. All right, y'all, I gotta go home and cook my greens. I'll see y'all on the next one, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year to you. And thank y'all so much for everything you're doing. I don't even have the words to express my gratitude for all and supporting, mostly encouraging. Like the encouragement from you guys is awesome. Love it. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Until next time, stay on, stay safe, and stay vigilant. Peace.